Okay. And where are you in Delhi, Noida?
No, I am in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, Gopal. I will save your number and we'll be in touch. We have a mission, National Youth for Nation program, and we have a. I will send you the website and all that what we are doing, and
Okay,
it is about you. People like us, about 100 people are working all over India, and
okay.
I will send you the website and let us see how we can combine and coordinate.
Oh,
Okay?
it's a really very great. Basically, if you are having time, I will brief you.
Okay. And myself and General Chaturvedi are the national chief coordinators for that program. Anyhow,
Okay,
I will send the website. You brief your activity, please.
okay. So from where have you learned about me?
Uh, I don't know. It is saved in my phone number.
Okay,
I don't know. Then when I saved it, your name has reflected. Then and your uniform photograph also I could see.
okay,
So I called. I called it.
okay. Great, great, great. So as I told you that in 2017 we had sent a
Are you
proposal to the government of India about the Crime Free Bharat mission, and there is
okay?
a very elaborate process to screen it. So it took almost
Yeah,
2 years. In
yeah.
2019 it was recognized as a national police mission.
Okay,
Since then I am heading that mission. But
okay,
I realized even in September 2020 I sent one draft law to the government of India. Its name is
okay.
National Authority for Scientific and Technical Assistance in Investigation and Detection of Crime under entry
Okay,
65C Schedule 7 of the Constitution. So a proper
okay.
legislative draft was sent, and it was
Yeah,
guaranteeing the right to privacy to the common people but not to the
yeah,
criminal. The moment they will commit the crime, it is the
yeah,
same authority would be
yeah.
reporting it to the police, will be helping police to acquire all kind of the infallible evidence and get him
Okay,
prosecuted within 30 days, and that kind of the concept is this. So
okay.
after 2020, I realized these politicians, they themselves are the criminals, and they will
Yeah,
not like any system,
yeah.
anything which
Yes,
could make this country crime free, howsoever capable or technology driven
yes.
it might be. They
Right.
will just not allow it to happen because they
Yeah,
themselves are the criminal. And I am very sure you must be knowing in our present
yeah,
parliament, which is running from 2019 to 2014, as per the
yeah.
admission of the member of parliament, which they are supposed to submit at the time of the election to the election
Yeah,
commission,
yeah.
42% of the MPs, they are having criminal record to their credit, and
Yes, yes, yes.
29% of them, they are having very very heinous offenses to their credit, like murder,
Yes,
dacoity, loot, kidnapping, rape, etc.
yeah.
And it is very unfortunate that we intellectuals, I think we don't really worth our salt, because we fail
Yeah.
to inform public at large that we
Yeah.
are being befooled for last 75 years and we are
Yeah.
still slave.
Yeah. No, this is no point in discussing unless we change.
This is a point so that we can come out with a resolution to change the situation. And Crime Free Bharat
Resolution is
mission
not.
of I am the
Resolution is
national
no.
president, it has come out with the roadmap that in 2024 all politicians of all political party, they will be defeated, and they will be
Yes.
defeated by a person whose face will be less known, because
Yeah.
he will be defeated by the Chandragupta, and Chandragupta is a person who has aided maximum number of the people in the mission,
Yeah.
and
That,
that
that is.
that kind of unknown face will be defeating person of the stature of Manani Narendra Modi ji. So
Yeah.
in all probability, even Narendra Modi would not be winning in 2024. Forget about the
No.
forming the government. Winning
I
itself will be a
understand
greater
now.
challenge. Huh?
Now there is no point in discussing these things further. Because unless the society as a whole
No,
is
society as a
aware,
whole does nothing. Somebody has to come, create a roadmap, create a model, and make it happen on the ground. Society, nation, they are all dormant. Somebody need
my
to
dear sir,
really lead them.
preparing a roadmap, our work can be done by anybody like you. But going to bringing into the
Yeah,
practical groundwork,
even for that we have created the roadmap whereby all politicians will be defeated. That precisely I am saying. All
yeah.
politicians of all political party will be defeated.
And if you
The
remove
people like
political,
Murthy should come forward and join and should become Chandragupta for the Crime Free Bharat mission. I, if you are
if
happy,
you
I will
remove,
send you a link. You please join and you observe the activity. There is a one Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel also, which is being run by me from 2020 onward. It is having my more than 2000 videos on various subjects. How that Crime
what is
Free
the,
Bharat mission will be attending
what is the,
21
what is the
objectives.
my dear sir, what is the viewership of those videos? How
Oh,
many
it
millions
is
have
getting
seen?
viral.
How
It,
many?
it is getting
Is it
viral, and
millions?
it is the duty of the people like you to spread it to the people known to you.
No, I am asking right now how many millions have gone through. You will have some
नो नो,
numbers
ये
right now.
अच्छी चीज़ें देखने के लिए मिलियंस और बिलियंस नहीं रहते हैं. आप गंदे डांस करने वाले फोटो कर दीजिए, वो 1 मिनट में जो ना वायरल हो जाएंगे. तो ये देश का जो है डीएनए खराब हो गया है. अच्छी चीज़ें
Any
देखने
video
में
has
हमें बड़ा
become
परहेज होता है.
no any video has become viral at least few lakhs viewers are there.
No, it is not having the, it was having 6 lakh kind of the maximum visibility, but I don't consider that as a high. It's a very low because our DNA has been distorted. हमें अच्छी चीज़ें देखना, सोचना, समझने, उसमें समय हमें फालतू के मजाक देखने में, फालतू के डांस देखने में, प्रोनो फोटो देखने में, गंदे गंदे
No.
जोक्स सुनने में ज़्यादा
Okay,
आनंद आता है. It is
we will
unfortunate.
discuss leisurely.
Uh,
I am a little bit tired and I am about to take rest because you asked. Okay, we will discuss leisurely.
Okay, we will discuss now. We will discuss on video, and that video
Yeah.
will be uploaded on Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel also. And
Okay.
we won't discuss anything if you are not comfortable on video conference, because that video conference will be recorded also, and it will be uploaded on Crime Free Bharat Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel.
No, simply video uploading doesn't help.
Oh, it would be helping. People will be realizing so many people across the country is trying to do this. It will generate the faith and hope. You are saying it's not helping. It is helping a lot. I know in last 2 years how much progress has been made, and within 1 year things will be changed drastically. I am saying all politicians, including Honorable Prime Minister, would be defeated in 2024. It is a very big statement, and it is not being given by a novice. It is being given by an IPS officer who has served this country for 37 years, including Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
So it is not a novice comment. It is not just a emotional outbreak. It is a well considered thought of policy which is going to materialize positively by 2024. Hello.